Hello students, in today's video we will continue our previous lesson number 2, data and its storage. So today we will study about devices for storing data. As the data is stored in devices and these devices are called memory. Now you can see in this diagram, memory can be of different types. So first of all, computer's memory is of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. Then further primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. And secondary memory can be of following types as floppy disk, hard disk, CD, DVD and pen drive. Now let's see what is primary memory. The memory that holds data and instructions for the CPU is called the primary memory or the main memory. It stores the data and instructions while the computer is working. Means the data stored in this memory gets erased as we turn off the computer. It is found inside the computer. Primary memory is very fast and it can be of two types. First one is RAM. RAM stands for random access memory and next one is ROM, that is read-only memory. Now, what is RAM? RAM memory is used as the main primary memory. RAM holds data and programs for the CPU to use. The CPU can read from the RAM and write into it. This kind of memory is also called read-write memory. In RAM, the information is stored temporarily because its information gets erased when the computer is turned off. Now, ROM stands for read-only memory. Data cannot be written in a ROM by a user. It can only be read, means in this memory we can only read the data. The data stored in a ROM is permanent, means the data is not lost on switching off the computer. Now let's learn about secondary memory. Secondary memory is a permanent memory that cannot be directly accessed by the CPU. Data from this memory has to be copied to the RAM before it can be used. This memory is also known as backup memory or auxiliary memory. Now, one of the type of secondary storage device is hard disk. This is the main permanent storage device inside a computer and stores its programs and data. It consists of a number of disks called platters, and these platters stacked one on top of the other. Moving heads read and write data as the platters rotate. A hard disk can store a large amount of data. Now, another type of secondary storage devices are floppy and zip disks. These removable disks store data on a thin disk coated with magnetic material. Floppy disks can store up to 1.44 MB of data. Zip disks can store up to 750 MB of data. Floppy and zip disks have been replaced by CDs, pen drive, etc. Now, next are the CD and DVDs. CD stands for compact disc and DVD stands for digital video disc. These are used as permanent storage. A CD usually holds 700 MB of data. A DVD holds much more data, like up to 4.7 GB. To use these disks, the computer needs a drive that can read and write these disks. The drive uses laser to read and write data. So, it was all for today. Thank you.